Kapamilya actress Andrea Brillantes shared what she felt on her first taping day for Kapamilya primetime series Batang Quiapo. Andrea has done several hit teleseries under her home network. From being a child star, she was given more mature roles. She is among the newest additions in the series for its second season. The actress just recently caught the attention of viewers because of the teaser showing her intimate scene with actor Jake Cuenca. In a recent interview, based on the article in ABS-CBN Entertainment, Andrea Brillantes shared that she was nervous during her first taping day. Kinakabahan ako, pero nandito na tayo sa first day ko. Excited ako kasi first time ko lahat gagawin, first time ang mga makakasama ko dito at first time ko din makakawork si Direk Malo, Sevilla, and I'm just really excited, the young actress said. She also shared that in her past teleseries she would have thick scripts that are given long before the shooting happens, but this is not the same case in Coco Martin's series. In Batang Quiapo, she was just given a few pages for her script for that shooting day. Andrea said that she was not able to sleep properly and when she arrived on the set, she planned to take a nap but that did not happen. Pero hindi ako makatulog kasi kakaisip ko na ano kayang mangyayari bukas. Pero pagdating ko naman dito, ang gaan ng set, ang gaan ng katrabaho ng lahat. Kahit yung mga artists, staff and crew, she said. Talking about her intimate scene with Jake, Andrea said that her role in BQ is sultry compared to what she has done before. For her, this is a level up and more mature. Andrea Brillantes said that she did not expect that she would be playing this kind of character. She added that it is her personal decision to accept more roles for her growth as an actress.